Hello everyone and welcome to the Engineering Mathematics course. My name is Safa and I'm really excited to have you here. If you're an engineering student or simply someone who wants to build a strong mathematical foundation from engineering, then you come to the right place. This course has been designed to help you understand engineering mathematics from the very beginning, step by step, with clear explanation and practical example. Whether you're studying electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, or any other engineering discipline, this course is for you. Let me start with a simple question. Why do engineering students spend so much time learning mathematics? The answer is simple. Because mathematics is the language of engineering. Every engineering problem eventually becomes a mathematical problem. When you design a controller, you're using differential equation. When you analyze an electrical circuit, you're using complex numbers and Laplace Transform. When you work with machine learning algorithms, you're using calculus and optimization. When you study robotics, dynamics, or signal processing, mathematics is always there. So, if your mathematical foundation is strong, learning advanced engineering subjects become much easier. Throughout this course, we'll cover the most important mathematical topics that every engineering student should know. We'll start with the basics, including functions and limits. Then we'll move on the derivatives and integration. After that, we'll study infinite series, complex number, differential equation, and Laplace transform. Each topic has been carefully selected because it appears repeatedly in engineering courses and real-world application. By the end of this playlist, you'll have a solid mathematical foundation from studying many advanced engineering subjects. One thing I want to promise you is that this course is not about memorizing formulas. Instead, we'll focus on understanding concepts. Every lesson is designed to explain not only how a formula works, but also why it works. We'll solve many examples together, discuss command mistakes, and connect mathematical concepts to the engineering applications whenever possible. My goal is to make engineering mathematics easier, more intuitive, and more enjoyable to learn. To get the best results from this course, I recommend following the playlist in order. Each lesson builds on the previous one. Don't skip topics, even if they seem easy at first. Take notes while watching these videos. Pause the video and try solving the example on your own before watching the solution. Remember that mathematics is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you for joining me in this engineering mathematics journey. I hope this course helps you build confidence in mathematics and gives you the tools you need to succeed in your engineering studies. Now it's time to begin our journey. I'll see you in episode 1, where we'll start with one of the most fundamental topics in mathematics, function and graphs. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.